Well, now let me tell you something, young folks. You youngins. Now, I have seen some sights in my day, but I ain't never seen nothing like that old chicken house last Saturday night. Woo, boy! Them hens was strutting like they was at the county fair. And them roosters? Well, they was dressed sharper than a catfish at a Sunday picnic. That's right. And old Henrietta? Oh, Lord have mercy. She had on a red ribbon round her neck, dancing like she was one of them big city honky-tonks. And old Clucky Joe? He was on that banjo picking so fast, feathers was flying like a snowstorm in July. I reckon if you ain't been to a chicken dance hall, and I'm sure you hadn't, well, you just ain't lived yet. But don't you bring no foxes. Big Red don't play around with no troublemakers. Yes, sir. That rooster got spurs like a Texas outlaw. Ooh, yeehaw, I'm telling you. Now y'all be sure if you ever get a chance, you head out over just down the road a piece from where I live. Way out there, down from the Ozark foothills, I guarantee you're going to see some sights there. Old chicken house, woo, boy, they sure know how to live it up, but boy, they noisy. All right, just check it out here. Just check it out.
When the sun goes down and the farm gets still, the hens get ready for a nighttime thrill. They fluff their feathers and they shine their beaks for the hottest honky-tonk in the county creek. Down at the chicken house where the feathers fly, we two-step under that old moon sky. Roosters keep time, hens spin around. It's the best dang dance in the whole barnyard town. Squawk, squawk, cluck, cluckety squawk. Henrietta strutting in her high-heeled claws. Big Red checking names at the coop door laws. Clucky Joe's picking on his banjo tie, and the dance floor's packed till the morning light. If you hear a bop and a fiddle tune, that's a party going strong till the crack of noon. Ain't no fox gonna crash the scene, 'cause Big Red's packing that rooster mean. Squawk, squawk, cluck, cluckety squawk. Down at the chicken house where the feathers fly, we two-step under that old moon sky. Roosters keep time, hens spin around. It's the best dang dance in the whole barnyard town. Squawk, squawk, cluck, cluckety squawk. Down at the chicken house where the feathers fly, we two-step under that old moon sky. Roosters keep time, hens spin around. It's the best dang dance in the whole barnyard town. Squawk, squawk, cluck, cluckety squawk.